This is from Bershka XL. Okay, Bershka XL code natin dito ay 76 for 500. 76,500. Men. 21 men ang brand. American brand siya. Ayan. So, this is size large din po. For 400. Code 56. Ganyan yung details ni 56. 956. Ay, may Topman again, ladies. Oh. Again, Topman. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, ladies, may ganyan siya. Yung parang stain from the cabinet lang. Pero matanggal din yan. 167. Sorry, code Topman 600. Topman 600 for large. 56 Miss Angela. Thank you po. 400. Armani Exchange. This is for large. Yeah, large Armani Exchange. 400 code Armani. Mine Armani. Topman. Ganun yung Topman. Ay, eto cotton on to, ladies. For large, ay, kakulay ng suot ko. For large to, cotton on. For 400, mine 137, code 137. Bershka. Ito parang mga pang beach to. Okay, from Bershka for 400, code beach. 400 lang po si beach. Wala na po dress. Hi, Armani. Miss Norly. Ano si Armani? 400. Thank you po, Miss Norl. Dresses. Wait lang. I-flex natin yan later, ladies. Ang mga natira, i-flex natin later. Pero, mag-flex muna kami kay Tokyo ng mga items. Ay, ganda nito. Blue Harbor. Ayan. Blue Harbor large for 600. Mine blue. This is for large. Beach, if large. Yours po, Miss Angela Brillion. Okay, beach. Yours po, Miss Ange, 400. Thank you, Miss Angela. Ay, meron pa. Blue Harbor, ladies. May Blue Harbor pa. Large antag naman to. Ay, from Mark and Spencer pala to. Ayan o. Okay, Mark and Spencer. Ganda. For 600 to. So, dalawa. Mark and Spencer natin for large. Code nito blue. And this